Morning. So last night was our first night on the top, and proper cosy. More space obviously because it's all of this, and bit of wind, but it wasn't too bad. Woke up a few times, and obviously you got your vents in the corners which bring a little bit of a draft in, but heater was working downstairs, Molly was warm, and yeah, time to get up, have some breakfast, go for a little walk, and then go home. Oh, it's a welcome every morning, isn't it? Oh, big stretch, big stretch. Oh, big stretch. Someone's had a good sleep. Yeah. Good girl. Yep, so she's had a good sleep down here. Put her bed down last night. We will get her a little bed, but that was a car seat. And she slept in that, by the looks of it. A little bit of warmth down here by the heater. Also, no condensation last night, which is great. It means we're getting out to the really bad winter months. You can see we just need to clean the windows from the outside. Give it a good clean for the next trip. Sunday morning, it's really quiet. So we're down this pitch down here. Just see us there. Molly's been for a little dog walk down the dog walk area at the top there, and we're just gonna have some breakfast and chill out. Is that Mol? Is that your van? Hey, and then we're around here. Just walk here, and then the river's just down there, and I did see people fishing there yesterday, and they've just come back. And the next one, next campervan to us. Come on, Mel, let's get a brekkie. What we got then? Golden syrup, coffee, and a pan of chocolate. And we're even going to leave that little bit of washing in the corner there to take home with us. But yeah, easy breakfast. It's 10 o'clock. We check out at 11 o'clock, so we've still got time for a little bit of a walk. Cool. Right, Mel? Always the mains first, as what I've mentioned before. Safety, and always checking this now. Make sure we're all the way down. That's it, Mol. We're done. Going home now. Yeah? Say goodbye. Yeah, it's a nice little campsite. Probably come back here again. Well, 100% come back here again. It's got a bar. Facilities are okay. There's a park for the kids to play. All sort of farm based, built eggs farm, but very good. We liked it, and Molly had fun. So Mol, we're gonna go now. Say goodbye. Bye bye. Okay, let's go. Bye view. See you all again. Okay, just leaving now. So this, as you can see from the top, this is where on the right there's a family room, and then just behind that there's where the bar is, and hopefully this will just lift. This will just, hey. And then on the, say on the, you're on the right, yeah, and there's a nice house on that.